Hey guys, Dave here from Design Upgrade Pro for H5P, and this video is going to look at a couple of the charts options. Now, there's not a whole lot we can do in terms of design with the pie chart and the bar chart in H5P, just because of the dynamic nature in which H5P creates these and spits these out onto the page. They're just using a technology which is a good technology to use, but it just does limit what we're able to do from a design standpoint. But there were a few things that we're able to offer you guys. The first one is for the pie charts, we can increase the font size. So here we've added a value of 20 pixels, and whatever you enter here is going to be in pixels. And you'll see right here, this text, all three of these for each slices of the pie, they are 20 pixels, which is a little bit bigger than the default font size. So you can make that larger. Keep in mind, if you have a lot of different options in your pie chart, increasing this might not be the best option because things could start to overlap a little bit. But if you just have a couple and you want to make it larger, you can do that here. The next couple of options also for the pie chart, we can make the text bold and then we can add a text shadow if we want. So checking these boxes will enable these things. So I've got them both enabled here. This is a bold text. You'll see for all three it's bold. And then there is a slight text shadow that is behind all of these. The colors of everything in here are already customizable in H5P itself. So the blue, the orange, and the green that we've got here, those are all things you can change in H5P, as well as the color of the text. So we don't provide any options for that since you can already do it with H5P, but you can add the text shadow if you want, as well as the bold text. Just keep in mind the text shadow is going to always be a darker color, kind of a partially transparent black. So here you'll see it's on black text. It doesn't look quite as good as it does on the white text. So just keep that in mind if you're changing the color of the text. The last option is for the bar charts. If you're using those, the x-axis values, we can add bold to those texts if we want. So this is actually enabled. I just haven't refreshed this page here, but pretend that this option was checked. This is what it'll look like. This text down here is going to be in a bold font instead of just a regular font. So just leave that unchecked for regular and then check it if you want to make that bold. So those are the options for the H5P charts.